In order to take a screenshot on a Windows device, what you can do is hit the keys Windows Shift S. So the Windows key, Shift S. That will open up some options at the top here. It is already selected on rectangular, but you can make it different shapes if you want. In order to take a screenshot, you simply drag and select the area that you want to have as a screenshot. Once you are done, simply release. You will have a notification that says that it has been saved to this clipboard, and you can then go to Word or whatever document you are working with and paste by using either right-click, paste, or Control-V. If this is giving you trouble, you can also go down to the search bar at the bottom left corner and look up Snip. You can use either Snip and Sketch or Snipping Tool, which is the older version. I was using Snip and Sketch. It will open up a window, and in the top left corner, you can use to make a new snip, and you'll have the same options as before. Click and drag over your selected region. It has been saved, and you can either save this as its own file, or you can simply copy and paste it into a document.